This is your invitation to my exclusive community, Photo Insiders. I've been teaching on YouTube and at photo conferences all over the world for over a decade. But here in Photo Insiders, you'll have exclusive content that you will not see anywhere else. Photo Insiders gives you exclusive access to me, the community, conversations, and new educational videos every single month. Standard, I'm gonna go down to color tone. We're gonna do off-camera flash, and we're gonna do it with both 1 and 2 lights. Never feel lost or frustrated behind the camera again, but instead confidently create the images that you envision every single time. It's broad daylight right now, but I'm gonna show you how to turn it into nighttime. Light for photos of groups outside. Negative fill. Learn alongside fellow photographers to master concepts like posing, off-camera flash, continuous lighting, and a mix of all of them. Get ready for monthly videos that help you learn both in detailed explanations and short-form videos that will take you less than half the time. High-speed sync allows you to raise your Watch how I troubleshoot my way out of situations.
Did that flash?
See my camera settings and see my images raw as they come out of the camera. I'm not just gonna throw a bunch of videos at you and leave you stranded with them. Photo Insiders get access to my exclusive online community where you can ask questions and get those questions answered in live group coaching sessions. But you'll also have access to my on-location shoots in a behind-the-scenes style. Inside the community, you can also talk shop about photography topics like we all like to do and collaborate with other photographers so you can not only elevate your craft together, but boost your marketing and overall business too. You'll have access to all of my bonus materials, things like contracts and my email templates that are sure to put money in the bank. I've been a working photographer for over 2 decades. I started on film, went to digital, and now we're on mirrorless, and who knows what's next. But it doesn't matter what gear that you have, I'm teaching you photography, lighting, posing concepts that you can use no matter what you're shooting with. This is just fun stuff. I wish I had something like this 20 years ago when I first started learning photography. I look forward to connecting with you directly through our live coaching sessions. I want to hear the problems that you're having. That's what I'm there for, to talk to you and walk you through all of that so you really understand it and can put it into practice in real situations. The value is unprecedented. You will not find my resources, education, and direct access to me and the community of Photo Insiders anywhere else. This is gonna mean something in your photography life. This will be the next best thing that you do. This is your exclusive invitation. Become a Photo Insider now so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you there.